Hi guys, I'm Jess and welcome back to Magical Mischief. Today we have got a really fun Harry Potter pin unboxing. I'm throwing them everywhere. Now these pins are not Loungefly and you would have seen these in my collective haul from my holiday. I'm just throwing these everywhere, guys. These are Warner Brothers. Seriously guys, I'm not doing very well. These are Warner Brothers and Wizarding World official pins that are sold at the Universal Studios Wizarding World of Harry Potter. I do not know, and I will preface this now, whether these are sold at the studio tour in Watford, London, or if these are sold in the New York store. I have absolutely no idea. Would love to go to the New York store actually and probably spend a fortune. So my boyfriend probably won't want me to go, because on holiday he kept saying to me, careful what you're spending too much. It's quite funny actually. But when I eventually go to the studio tour with my boyfriend, which is something I want to plan in this year actually, if I see them there, I will post on Instagram and let you guys know. But I have not actually seen them on the Harry Potter shop website when I've looked. So they might actually be a Universal Studios exclusive. But this is our first box. Before I show you what's in this box, there are 5 pins that you can collect. So we have the 4 house founders. So that's Godric Gryffindor, Helga Hufflepuff, Verena Ravenclaw and Salazar Slytherin. And you have got Dumbledore. Now I would ideally like this whole set. There are 5 to collect and I've got 5 boxes. My priorities are obviously Godric Gryffindor. I am a proud Gryffindor, and Dumbledore because I'm a Dumbledore collector. Oh, these are stunning. So this is what the box looks like. It comes with a little plastic frog, which is quite cute. And then the pin. I'm going to take him out and put him on the pin board, so you will be able to see it. They are, which I will show you in a minute, lenticular. And they do have a rubber back. This is very similar to those Mickey ones that you get on Disney pins, but this is a star. So first off, I do have one of my top priorities, which was Professor Dumbledore, and this is lenticular. I don't actually know if that was showing, so I'll pull him off and show it to you. Is that focusing? I don't think it's really showing the lenticular very well, so I do apologise. But the star design is gorgeous. These do on the back say Wizarding World of Harry Potter Universal Studios, so that must mean they are a park exclusive, which is absolutely fine. There has been news of recent to say that Universal Studios is coming to the UK. Whether they will have any Harry Potter stuff, I do not know. This pin does not want to go into the board. This board did not like any of my Harry Potter pins when they were on them for some reason. So he's not sitting on there very well, unfortunately, which is annoying, but... Oh, that's a little bit better. But we will deal. On to box number 2. Oh, yes, we've got someone new. Let me take her out. It's one of the ladies. Now, this does have, I don't know if it will show, but it does have the names of them at the bottom. I think these pins are really hard for the camera to focus on, but it says her name, and this one is Rowena Ravenclaw. I apologise if these pins aren't focusing very well. I don't think the camera likes them that much. So what I think I might do is I may do like a pan over if I need to. We're on to box number 3. If I didn't say, we've got 5 boxes, so we're nearly halfway through. Yes, yes, we're doing so well so far. I'm just attacking the box. We have got my founder, someone who I need. Now, I have not, and I will preface this for all you pin traders out there, I have not seen anyone trading these at all. So, I don't know if you'll be able to trade for them. Depending on how this pull goes today, I may be trading. But here is Godric Gryffindor. How stunning. I love him. This pin board is a pain because it doesn't like Harry Potter pins. And my nice pin board I cannot find anywhere today. First dupe, so we will be trading, guys. So as I said, do not know if anyone is trading these, but ouch, that hurt. That was a duplicate of Godric Gryffindor. So I will be trading. So if you are missing Godric Gryffindor and have someone who I need, which we'll find out who I need in a minute, please message me on Instagram. It is linked down below and we can organise a trade. Yes! We have done very well, guys. So I'm only missing 1 pin, which is lovely. So we have Salazar Slytherin, which is absolutely lovely. He's gorgeous. So he doesn't want to go in. So here is who we collected, guys. So as I said, if you need Godric Gryffindor and have Helga Hufflepuff, please message me on Instagram. It's linked down below and we can trade. But these are absolutely gorgeous. I love them so much. I think having success today, guys. Only one dupe in this unboxing. The one I filmed before this, I got a full set. So exciting. But these are absolutely stunning. If you are in Universal Studios and see this and are a Harry Potter pin collector, I think these are so worth it. They are stunning. I would love them to do a second series and include some of the other characters that they do on Chocolate Frog cards, like Mr. Bertie Bott and things like that, because I think that would be quite cool. And they could do a Professors series to have McGonagall, Snape, things like that. That would be amazing. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a like. Please let me know in the comments down below which one was your favourite. Mine, I think, was Godric Gryffindor, of course, and Mr. Dumbledore. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on that notification bell so you're notified when more magical mischief is coming your way. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll see you very soon.